Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. To all my people in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm farming cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to kiss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, in dough for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Yeah, Peej.
Saw it, hit it.
Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So today, me and the boys went out in Dino's boat and got onto a couple of fish early. Peej got a nice flatty and a trevally, but the wind came up, so we've headed down to this little lagoon and opening. Eli and I are gonna go for a dive. Jai's gonna go flick a lure around and see how we go, eh?
Baby, your touch is more than enough to make me lose my mind. Got me so distracted, thinking of you, honey, all the time. And I need to feel your skin on mine. We are just two of a kind. Feel the beat of my heart, first a look, then the spark from the second. When we make contact, boy, it's the chain reaction. It's the physical, chemical interaction. When we combine, feel the satisfaction deep inside my soul. When we make contact, boy, feel the heat increase and the mind's racing. Got me weak in the knees and the air gets thin. I can barely breathe when you make contact with me. I can kiss you right there, nice and slow. We can take our time. Tell me what you want, boy. I'll do anything, make you feel alright. And I need to feel your skin on mine. We are just two of a kind. Feel the beat of my heart, first a look, then a spark from the second. When we make contact, boy, it's the chain reaction. It's the physical, chemical interaction. When we combine, feel the satisfaction deep inside my soul. When we make contact, boy, feel the heat increase and the mind's racing. Got me weak in the knees and the air gets thin. I can barely breathe when you make contact with me. When we make contact, when we make contact, boy, we make contact. When we make contact, boy, when we make contact, boy, it's the chain reaction. It's the physical, chemical interaction. When we combine, feel the satisfaction deep inside my soul. When we make contact, with me.
Hell.
Boys. Oh, that fucking big.
Go on, come on, John. Oh, my God. They're
Oh, you're on.
Yes!
Yes.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we're good, we're good. Hold this. I can go there next one. There, grubby. Blue point 650, that looks like, mate. Yeah, alright, so alright, so we just came back from that little spot. It ended up actually being pretty psycho. Jai, there was a heap of trevally busting up and Jai got nailed by one, unfortunately snapped off. Peej and I saw a couple of cool sea urchin looking thing, which you would have seen. So now we're just heading back to the car. We're going to go for another dive at another bridge and see what happens.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to